Welcome to Chat GPT, a powerful natural language processing tool that can generate human-like text based on your prompts. Here's a quick guide on how to use Chat GPT in just 2 minutes. First, sign up for an account with a provider that offers access to the GPT API, such as OpenAI or Hugging Face. Once you've signed up, you'll be provided with an API key that you'll need to use to access the model. Next, decide on the task you want Chat GPT to help you with. Chat GPT can be used for a wide range of tasks, such as writing product descriptions, composing emails, or even generating creative writing. Whatever your task, make sure you have a clear prompt that outlines what you want Chat GPT to generate text for. Now, you're ready to use Chat GPT. Simply provide your prompt to the API using your preferred programming language, such as Python or JavaScript, and wait for the response. ChatGPT will generate a response that is contextually appropriate and grammatically correct based on the input prompt. Remember to use ChatGPT responsibly and ensure that the generated text is factually accurate and free from bias. Additionally, keep in mind that ChatGPT is a language model and not a human, so it may not always produce the exact response you're looking for. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and refine your approach until you get the desired result. That's it. With these simple steps, you can start using ChatGPT to generate high-quality text for your projects and tasks. Happy generating!